That's the groove right there, I think.
You want 12 bar? I think that's good.
Okay, that's the idea. I think we got it. Seems like David should be on this one.
Yeah.
That would be hard though, wouldn't it?
Maybe you could come in later and just delete all our parts and play.
Hey Gary,
Yeah.
what do you think about trading fours for a couple choruses and then you take a chorus solo each, then come back to trading fours?
Okay.
Or you might even do trading twos in the opening chorus, and then you guys each take a couple choruses when you then come back to doing twos and threes at the end.
You want to referee this, Dave? Just point, stand right where you are and point.
Yeah, I can do that.
Kid, is this a better tone? If you want it dirty, maybe I'll switch the mic.
No, I think that's the best tone you ever had in your life.
The most superior thing you ever did.
No, it's good. I like it.
Hey, Gary, you're going to start it, right?
Right.
Well, let's do trading fours, and then we'll have Aki take the first solo, because that'll be you, Aki, you, then Aki can take two choruses.
Okay.
Does that make sense to you?
So fourth, then, the way we were doing it.
Yeah, exactly, but just one chorus of that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Gary, then Aki takes two choruses, you take two choruses, and then it can go Aki, Gary, and you guys finish.
Okay.
All right.
Or do you want to do a couple times with the trading at the end?
No,
Don't feel it.
no, I think it's long enough.
All right. On that last chorus, then definitely
Mix it
throw
up.
in some stuff behind each other too to
Yeah.
add that energy.
Okay. Ready?
Let's go.
1, 2, 3.